I got this from a company you might have never heard of, Haylou or Haylou. They sent their Haylou W1 True Wireless Earbud for review. Actually, there are two of them. I also have the more reports here, and this will come up in another review. Haylou is one of the earliest members or companies of Xiaomi ecological chain, which specializes in wireless audio and smart wearables. The Haylou W1 is equipped with CVC 8.0 noise cancellation for clear phone calls. It comes with dual mics in each earpiece. It has a 7mm driver, and with the Qualcomm QCC3040 codec and Bluetooth 5.2, it has a more convenient connection, faster signal, and stable connection. All these are in one place, and on Amazon it's been sold for about $50 US, and on Jumia Nigeria it is about 18,000 Nigerian Nairas. One would argue that they are almost leaving the budget area. Yes, in fact, the Oraimo FreePods 3 costs a little less than this, but I think this Haylou W1 is a better wireless earbud, and you see why I said so. What's up guys, it's Victor here again, and this is my review of the Haylou W1 wireless earbud. First, the unboxing experience. In the box, you would find the case, the buds, some extra ear tips, a USB-C charging cable, and some paperwork. The Haylou earbud has a simple design. It's not trying to impress anyone. It has a flat design and doesn't need help to stand upright. The cover is matte plastic, the hinge is sturdy and doesn't give enough satisfaction when you shut the case down. That's compared to the Oraimo FreePods 3 I reviewed some days ago, or even the Infinix SE21 earbud that I'll be reviewing just after this video. And I'll leave the links to those videos in the description. On the top of the case is Haylou's branding. At the rear is a USB-C port for charging the case. The buds themselves are unique in terms of design. They look different and are pretty easy to distinguish from other earbuds in the market. The buds lap really nicely and fit the ear closely. The magnets in the case seem really strong and reliable to hold the buds from accidentally falling off. For controls, a tap on either the right or left bud will pause or play music. A double tap on the right bud will play the next song. A double tap on the left bud will play the previous song. A triple tap on either bud will summon the voice assistant, and that's basically it. You can't control the music volume from the buds. The buds are equipped with Bluetooth 5.2 and Qualcomm apts audio codec. This is essential for stable connections and stronger signals, around a 10 meters radius anyway, which can be affected by the number of walls and obstacles you have within your space. Connection is strong and latency delay is tight. To connect the earbuds to your phone, open the case to put the buds in pairing mode, then go to your Bluetooth setting on your phone to pair these earbuds to your phone. For audio quality, I feel like they sound pretty nice. I mean, I'm not an audiophile, so I'm easily impressed, but I can tell when I hear good sound, and this is not a disappointment. The Haylou W1 has a fantastic stereo effect thanks to the 7mm driver and other optimizations. The bass is heartfelt. I like how it sounds generally. Call quality is also decent. It tries to eliminate background noise during phone calls, and that can come really handy and useful if you are living in Oshodi. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge the Haylou W1 case. The case has a 315 mAh battery, which is smaller than what we get from other buds in this category, like the Infinix XE21 I just reviewed. The case can recharge the buds 4 times, and the buds can last up to 3 hours with continuous music playback. At this price point, there are not many wireless earbuds that are capable of good audio quality like this one, and since sound quality is the major yardstick for choosing headphones, the Haylou W1 wireless earbud is a great headphone, especially when you consider the price of this device. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment or thumbs up. Thanks for watching this one guys, and we'll see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.